everyone, a warm welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have brought you a delicious syrupy dessert recipe, caramel pudding cake. Let's see what we need to make this. We need half a cup of sugar to make the caramel, 390 gram of condensed milk, vanilla essence, 360 ml of fresh milk, and 6 eggs in total, 4 for the pudding and 2 for the cake. We also need 100 gram of butter, 100 gram of sugar, 100 gram of flour and half a teaspoon of baking powder. First, put a pan on the stove and add the half cup of sugar. We need to caramelize it until it looks like a golden brown color. Once it is ready, pour the caramel into the baking tray. Now take a bowl and add the condensed milk. Then fill the same tin with fresh milk and add it in. Next, add 4 eggs. Add a teaspoon of vanilla. Beat this all mixture about 5 minutes. You can use a blender for this too. Pour this pudding mixture over the caramel in our tray. Place it inside the large oven tray with some hot water. Bake it at 170 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. While that's baking, let's make the cake batter. In a bowl, add 2 eggs, (100 gram of sugar and half a teaspoon of vanilla. Beat it for 3 minutes until the sugar dissolves. Now add the butter, 100 gram of butter, and beat it another 3 minutes. Finally add the flour and half a teaspoon of baking powder. Add 2 tablespoons of milk. Beat everything for 1 minute. Mix it well and give it a final 30-second beat. I am putting this cake batter into a piping bag. This makes it much easier and faster to spread over the hot pudding. Now let's take the pudding out of the oven. Pipe the cake batter on top. And bake it again for 40 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. Now our cake is ready. I will let it cool down and then keep it in the fridge for about 2 hours. After 2 hours, let's cut a slice and see. Wow, it's very easy to remove. Look at this, it slices so smoothly without breaking. The layers have come out perfectly separated. Please try this at home. Thank you so much for watching my videos. See you again soon. Have a great day. Bye.